In today's fast-paced world, families are constantly on the lookout for smart solutions to keep their daily lives organized and connected. One device that's been making significant waves is the Apolosign Digital Calendar. As of July 2025, this innovative all-in-one hub has found its way into more than 3 million households worldwide, a testament to the increasing demand for unified digital family management solutions. The Apolosign Digital Calendar stands out with its seamless integration of multiple scheduling platforms. Whether your family prefers Google Calendar, iCloud, or Outlook, this device brings all your appointments, school tasks, and reminders together in one easily accessible interface. The real-time synchronization means everyone in the household stays updated, minimizing confusion and missed activities. This is especially valuable for busy families juggling work commitments, extracurricular activities, and social events. A key feature that sets the Apolosign apart is its visual task management system. Tasks can be assigned, tracked, and checked off with just a few taps on the touchscreen. The calendar's intuitive design makes it easy for both adults and children to interact with, helping to instill a sense of responsibility and collaboration across all ages. Its 21.5-inch and 15.6-inch touchscreen models, elegantly framed in warm wood finishes, are designed to blend seamlessly with modern home decor while serving as a central communication hub. Beyond scheduling, the Apolosign Digital Calendar doubles as a digital photo frame, enabling families to display cherished memories alongside their daily agendas. The memory sharing function allows users to upload and showcase favorite photos, turning the device into a living album that evolves with your family's experiences. This added touch transforms what could be a purely functional gadget into a piece that genuinely enhances the warmth and connectivity of a household. However, widespread adoption often brings increased scrutiny, and the Apolosign Digital Calendar is no exception. Some users have reported concerns about the reliability of the device. For instance, one customer noted that their device stopped working just a month after purchase, and they encountered challenges obtaining support due to limited customer service options. Others have highlighted issues with connectivity, particularly when using the HDMI input, as well as occasional display performance problems. In response to these concerns, Apolosign has reinforced its commitment to customer satisfaction by offering 24/7 support. The company emphasizes its dedication to resolving technical issues promptly and ensuring that users can make the most of their investment. While these efforts are commendable, potential buyers should remain aware of the mixed user experiences and weigh the innovative features against the reported reliability concerns. Despite these challenges, the Apolosign Digital Calendar's popularity continues to grow. Its ability to act as a unified family organizer, digital notice board, and memory keeper resonates with households seeking simplicity and connection. The device's expanding ecosystem, with frequent software updates and new integrations, reflects Apolosign's commitment to staying ahead in a rapidly evolving market. For adults interested in high-tech gadgets that streamline daily routines and promote family engagement, the Apolosign Digital Calendar represents a compelling option. Its blend of style, functionality, and connectivity makes it a standout among the latest smart home devices. As with any technology, it's important to research current user feedback and consider how the device's features align with your family's needs. As more homes embrace digital solutions to manage their busy lives, products like the Apolosign Digital Calendar are shaping the future of home organization. By bringing clarity, collaboration, and a touch of personalization to everyday routines, this smart display is redefining what it means to stay connected in the modern age. For those who value both innovation and practical utility, keeping an eye on Apolosign's ongoing developments is well worth the attention. If you found this video helpful, please like this video. For more product specifications and pricing, click on the link below this video to shop on Amazon now, and you will be taken right to the product page. More breaking high-tech news is available on our blog at besthightechgadgetsforadults.com. Don't forget to subscribe now to our YouTube channel, Best High-Tech Gadgets for Adults. Stay tuned to High-Tech Gadgets News for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest high-tech releases.